Hello, and thank you for joining us today. It's that time of year again when we share what we're doing here at the City of Markham to keep our roads in tip-top shape. It might be a little road less traveled during the COVID-19 pandemic, but we want to be ready for full recovery, ensuring that you can get to where you need to go safely. I'm proud to say that the City of Markham's roads are still among the best in all of Ontario, with more than 75% of our network in a state of good repair. And in a recent survey, our residents say that they're extremely satisfied with our program. We've accomplished this by financially investing in our roads, making fact-based decisions using external geotechnical information, using laser technologies twice a year to survey the conditions of our roads, while also getting feedback from our residents after the projects are completed. Thank you to our staff, to Commissioner Brenda Lebrex, Morgan Jones, David Plant, Alice Lamb, and of course, everyone on our operations team for your extraordinary commitment to our community. New this year, the City of Markham is using innovative technology. We are pleased to announce that the road operations is participating in a pilot program with visual defense to use artificial intelligence to detect potholes. Visual defense is providing both the hardware and software to use the Rover solution. It runs on a smartphone. It actually uses the camera in a smartphone to detect potholes in real time by analyzing video footage. From there, addresses and the GPS coordinates are logged and sent to work crews to go and make the repair. At the City of Markham, we embrace technology to better serve the people of Markham. And in 2019, we repaired 2,131 potholes, and we are exceeding the provincial standard on repairing potholes. As we get ready for the summer construction season, we continue to pilot new technologies, products, and approaches to repair, preserve, and to extend the life of our roads. We're using eco-friendly technologies that help reduce the overall costs. Everything we do is with the environment in mind by reducing emissions, conserving energy, and reducing fuel consumption. We're not just about the quick fix at the City of Markham. We're about preserving our roads proactively, treating the surface, sealing the cracks as soon as they are spotted, preventing further damage to the roads. By being innovative, proactive, and sustainable, we are reducing the impact on the environment and responsibly cutting costs. We believe in investing in our vital infrastructure, and it's our job to deliver the services our residents rely on every day. You can always count on us for safe and smooth travels. Thank you for joining us today. And with that now, I would like to introduce our Director of Operations, Morgan Jones.
Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Spring is here, and all of us in operations are busy preparing our parks, open spaces, trails, and road network for the summer. While we all do our part to stay home and break the chain of transmission of COVID-19, our staff are busy working out in the field safely and ensuring they adhere to physical distancing. Whether it's pruning our neighborhood trees for safety to ensure adequate height clearance for pedestrians and road traffic, or our staff in parks maintaining litter cleanup and cutting grass, or our crews on the streets repairing and maintaining our roads, we thank all our staff for doing their part to contribute to a safer, cleaner, and more livable community. Staff are working hard to ensure we are in the best possible place so that when the province is ready to reopen, the City of Markham too will be ready. While our sports fields are currently closed, staff are working to ensure our readiness to reopen them without delay when it is declared safe to do so. Over the next few minutes, you'll hear from David Plant and Alice Lamb on what's keeping their staff busy as we move into the summer months. Thank you, and stay happy, healthy, and safe.
Greetings from our city greenhouses, where our team works hard every spring to prepare our floral displays. We'll be deploying a modified streetscape program this year, and we really hope you'll enjoy it. Our team will continue to be busy over the next coming weeks and months with several initiatives including our tree maintenance program. Our contractors are on track and on budget to safely complete first phase of this program by the middle of June, while adhering to both provincial guidelines for safety and for physical distancing. Our team in Markham Parks is working safely and effectively in every ward to keep our parks clean, keep grass cut, and keep the litter picked up. Although it may be unwelcome for some number of weeks, a friendly reminder from all of us, dandelions serve as one of our most important pollinators in the city, and their presence is short-lived. Health and safety of our team and the public is our priority. Staff are following all provincial guidelines and are working safely and physically distancing. We want to thank you for doing your part to keep Markham beautiful and for not littering or disposing of your face masks and gloves in our parks and open spaces. Our parks and trails remain open, and while our amenities are currently closed, we're working daily to maintain a state of readiness so that when the province starts to reopen, there will be minimal delays. Here's wishing you a very happy and healthy spring and summer from the staff of Markham Parks.
Hello, on behalf of the Road Survey and Utility Division, I'm pleased to be here to share with you our spring road maintenance program. As you can see, our crew continue to work hard throughout the city to maintain and preserve our road network. In the city of Markham, we are proud to have one of, if not the best, road rehabilitation program in Ontario. We incorporate sustainability element into our operation by providing cost-effective and environmental-friendly pavement engineering solution. We continue to look for new ways to get our job done effectively. As our mayor mentioned earlier, we are utilizing and trying artificial intelligence. The AI technology helps us to identify and keep track of the pavement condition and pothole within the city of Markham. We are pleased to say that our road maintenance exceeds provincial standard in fixing pothole. Our crew are regularly out on patrol. If you would like to report any concern, please get in touch with our contact center. In the coming months, you can expect construction activities within the city. We ask for your patience and your understanding as we carry out the proactive maintenance program. Our team remains committed in ensuring our road remain in state of good repair so everyone can travel on our road network comfortably and safely. Thank you.